You've actually already...
Good morning, good afternoon, don't even know what time of the day it is. Probably in China, it's about 2 o'clock in the morning still, I don't know. Welcome back to me. Thank you, girls, for looking after the store. And did anyone catch that reel last night? Oh my gosh, Scarlett, my daughter, said, oh my God, Mum, look at this is so funny. And I'm like, oh. And then she showed me the reel of my voice memo, and then how the girls turned it into the funny video. So hats off, because I was cracking up laughing. God, I sound like a mean boss. Anyway,
why?
No.
We just sound like naughty employees.
Oh, God. I was standing in Guangzhou Airport trying to make that memo, and I had flight CZ750 departing for Hong Kong, and then all those other
She's good at that.
Messages in the background. Any unattended luggage will be detained and la la la. And I'm trying to give this voice memo. Anyway, long story. Let's carry on. I've got a celebrity guest here.
Oh my
You
God.
may recognise her from a few years ago. Does anyone recognise this amazing businesswoman? I've just been hearing about her story and I'm so impressed. She's such a mincy lady, been following the brand for a while, and now she's popped in to visit us and we're so excited. Okay, I'm going to tell you, just in case you don't guess it. This is Amy.
Amy.
Oh,
So famous.
so famous, I forgot her name.
Blame the
She'll forgive me, I'm sure. So this is Amy, and she featured on the block, New Zealand, quite a few years ago now.
Yes,
7 years ago, and
We've
it was
forgotten.
absolutely life-changing for her, not only for her career, but everything. Got a lot of different experiences and things like that. So we're really excited to see that she has the most amazing interiors business in Gisborne.
Yeah.
So what is the name of the interiors business?
It's called The Workshop and it's on Carnarvon Street.
Carnarvon.
Carnarvon!
Lovely. Carnarvon Street, The Workshop. We just had a little online store. Go and have a look. Some really, really beautiful merchandise in there. Now, everyone's going to ask about her jeans. I know it already.
Yeah.
They all do, always do. They will. We'll have 1,000 comments.
do a little turny round.
Start at the top with the lemon earrings.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, lemon earrings. Can they get
the whole way
Can they
down.
get the lemon earrings?
Oh, I got the glasses too.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
I can't see out of them, but they're fabulous.
Oh.
We were just talking about her taking the frames into her optometrist. You can do this. You should be able to do this. And then they can just sub out the lenses for your prescription lens. So
I can't see a thing.
yeah, no, that's
Wow.
okay. That's
Look good though.
Thank you so much.
Fashion.
Fashion. Earrings.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
lemon earrings, very cool. Sort of peachy pink tone top. Just
Very
FYI,
cool.
We are doing a lot of this colour for next summer and sneakers.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and textural sneakers. Very, very cool. Look at these jeans.
Yeah.
They are from.
We've got to get a paintbrush from the glasses.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're from the.
I'm going to do a little close up almost.
There's numerous elements to these pants.
Oh,
Tigers,
yeah.
flowers,
Yeah.
splatter.
Was that a hand painted dove?
Yeah, they're
too?
all handmade.
Oh, they're
Oh,
all wow.
lordy.
Patches.
Oh, yeah.
Our ladies are magpies for anything like this.
Yeah. Hey, we never forgot about the shoes.
Oh yeah.
sorry.
No, I've come back so you can talk about them.
Yeah.
I've come back so you can talk about them.
Amy had a good little look around, and she's picked a few little styles here. So feel free to comment.
Mhm.
Is that a good thing? We'll feel free
Sure.
to comment on your favourite.
It doesn't matter. She's got to get them anyway.
So the Hanover, first up. So Amy absolutely
This is a
adores
first.
a wee sock.
Love a sock.
So she's got like all the colours she's going to take back to the 06. And this is the gold Hanover, the beautiful little ankle wrap on it. I actually quite like the way you've tied that too.
Yeah.
It's
Well, I just
slightly
had
different.
a little. I wasn't sure.
It's slightly
Yeah.
different.
I like
but I
that.
quite like it.
Thanks.
Yeah. So this is the gold colour, super sparkly, super fun, goes with the attitude of this woman 100%. And then on the other foot, we've got the diamond veil. Oh,
In
yeah, that's-
gold.
Yeah, in gold. It's really pretty, really sparkly, really hard for you to
Yeah.
see the sparkle
It
here.
is glistening
I'm trying
in
to
my
move it
camera.
with the
Oh,
glass.
yeah.
Yeah.
You're such a professional.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
While you're down there, this was the other style, and Renee said, we should show
Yes.
the ladies of this on, because not very many people have seen this.
Well, I was going to do it this week, but we ran out of time because.
Don't go into the class because I
No,
haven't
right.
had a pedicure.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
What I like is the bit that it's this.
You won't go close, we'll go here.
From
Yeah.
the wellness collection.
Oh, look, they just stand out. Yeah, oh, you've been. Kristen's been
I
helping
actually
with
want
all
to
the
see
intel.
it. Can you spin your foot down that this way? Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
want to see it with your jeans. Yeah, that's cool.
Don't zoom in on the nail.
We're not.
No, we're not.
If you go flat, yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Oh,
Are
yes,
you,
so
have you
gorgeous
stayed true
with
to
the
your size
orangey.
in all of these styles
Yes,
today?
39.
Yeah.
Yeah.
39 in all? Oh, cool.
Yeah, that's
No,
right.
and I'm a 39. No, I did try a 40 in those, but
Just stuck to the 39.
yeah, I feel like I was trying to hold on to them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and they will bed down and give a little bit after time to wear.
I just can't get enough of these glasses.
Yeah, they look great.
Yeah,
Have you
you
got-
got them on with your top. Oh, yeah.
We don't have any questions.
But we've definitely got
Everyone's
that.
so quiet.
That's right,
Yeah.
they're watching. They're all
No,
watching.
well,
Yeah.
actually, one of them's in here. Robin's in here. Robin usually gives us lots of little comments and keeps us going. Hi, Robin, you look so
I know.
pretty in your blue
Yeah.
dress."
It's hot when we
I'm
close
having
the
a
door.
hot flash.
I know it is.
Oh, yeah, we're all,
Yeah.
It's very hot.
Thank you.
Yeah, we all are.
So, what else did I
Thank
do?
you. Thank you.
I grabbed, I took these with me because I need a new pair of plazas. This is a rapier one, goes back with everything. I also took a mustard sneaker with me, ladies. So I'm going to profile that in the coming weeks and talk about mustard, or actually sunflower is more that, it's mustard.
Yes.
Yes,
Sunflower,
A
definitely.
little bit brighter than an actual mustard. Anyway, so I took these with me, super comfortable as always, even with that new raffia blanket stitching on it. And then I thought, because I had my pink top on, why not put a pair of the old Spanish dollies on? Nice, comfortable little style, nice pop of colour at the bottom of the wide leg pant like that.
Yeah.
So that is my look for today.
No, you're all good.
Yeah.
No questions at all.
No, I think they're all just, well, we
Yeah.
had them at lunchtime on a Friday, so, you know,
I have no idea.
yeah, you don't know what day it is, so.
Yeah, don't make me sign anything legal today because
Yeah.
my brain's not
Or make a
connected to the
decision.
dots just yet. Or
Yeah.
make a decision.
What I'm hearing is we need to make a little form asking for pay raises.
And holiday leave.
All right, ladies. Just a reminder: if you haven't seen that lovely, funny reel yesterday, you must come and have a look. It's hilarious. Head me in stitches. And a shout out and thanks to Amy for coming in and sharing her look with you ladies today. Don't forget, if you're in Gisborne, to pop into the store and be inspired with your home.
Definitely.
I'll pop a little
Link.
link to the website and I'll pop the address in the caption.
Yes,
So.
fantastic. We'll do the share thing. All right, take care. Have a great weekend. I hope it stays sunny and shiny wherever you are for the weekend. Bye.